Welcome to the IMO 2.0 ETP video series. In these demos, we'll review the benefits of the IMO 2.0 Enhanced Terminology Platform. With IMO Anywhere, clinicians without IMO-enabled software have access to IMO's medical terminology. To access IMO Anywhere, log into the web-based solution once and then bookmark the page. Once you're logged into the IMO Anywhere solution, pinpointing precise medical terminology is easy. All you need for your search is a few characters, and you'll get the result you're looking for. If you have too many results, it's easy to filter down to just a few results by adding more characters. In addition to diagnosis descriptions, IMO Anywhere will provide the corresponding IMO, ICD-9, ICD-10, and SNOMED codes for the user's review. To copy the medical codes, all you need to do is click the copy button to the right, and IMO Anywhere will provide you the information in a text format. A plus sign next to the code indicates a secondary code is also available. The intuitive IMO Anywhere solution can pull up accurate results from simple searches, such as acronyms and misspelled queries, or terms with varied importance for the user, such as breast cancer staging. Some search results also include prompts that drop down to provide you with a variety of modifiers, so you won't have to scroll through a long list of results. IMO Anywhere also provides indicators for diagnoses that affect risk-based payments. The two types of hierarchical condition categories, or HCCs, are noted by a red R and RX icons respectively for any diagnosis that falls in one or both categories. With IMO Anywhere, it's easy to search for accurate medical codes on any web-connected device. The IMO 2.0 ETP ensures you can diagnose and document care accurately with any web-connected device and without worrying about your terminology dictionaries. For more on the IMO solution, contact us today.